Okay. Guys, it is time. I am about to have a new car. Like seriously, a new car. Let's go, man. First things we have to do is head to a place. I am going to have to say Reaper Sayonara, man. This is probably gonna be the last time I'm gonna use it. Attentionally. Well, then imagine if I got a key card. Man, only a pistol. Man, kidding me. Let's go. Probably gonna use the Reaper later. I'm not lying because I cannot just say, oh, I'm not gonna use that vehicle ever again. This is the last time I'm using it. Of course I'm gonna use it sometime. You never know when I could use it. Well, then I just want to have a break from the new vehicle I'm about to buy, which I'm not gonna tell the name of. It's a surprise. Imagine if I want to have a break from that, and then I want to, so I will use this, or I will buy a new car. Let me put this recording thing up there. Yeah. No, that's the wrong vehicle. Might find this place. When I found it here, literally like a couple minutes ago. I don't remember where it was. Where could have it been? I could buy it in the garage, but it's not a surprise, man. The ambulance is there, and the bank is. I remember seeing. Is that it? Yes, you guys guessed it right. The success. My new car. Oh my god, it's a blast off. Let me check. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's so fast acceleration. Let me just customize. And we have to customize features. Galaxy Wave. Should I buy that? Guys, should I buy that? I'm gonna buy it. I'm buying it. Let me remove this. What texture do I have? Galaxy Wave. Secondary texture. Galaxy Wave. Body color. Come on, I need. Wait, how do I put on? No, nothing. How do I put on no body color? Is there one? What fits the galaxy theme? Darkest blue deep. Darkest blue. Yep, that's secondary body color. Darkest blue. Glow. Darkest blue. Horn. Let me hear it. Okay, I will buy that later. I have some free ones. That. Wait. Let me rim color. Darkest blue. Drift. Classic. Oh my god, why are drifts so expensive, man? Can I have classic? Yes, classic. I would love that. best hairstyle. Classic. Extension. Monster. Brakes. Of course, I need the best brakes. Window color. Darkest blue. Tint. What's the tint really even do? Nah, no tint is good. There is darkest blue and no darkest blue. See me? Treatment. Darkest blue dust. Headlight color. Darkest blue. License plate. It's a bit weird, but like I like it, man. It's my favorite. I cannot put S. Apply. Is it? No, it's really S, right? S. Where was it? Oh yeah. I bought that. Are you kidding me? I actually bought that. Is there anything? Texture, razor. Nah. Check out this vehicle, man. That's the headlights. Oh my god, so good. First strawberry with successor. Going to be. Should I do mansion? CEO. U-turn. Quickest U-turn in human history. Probably. Oh no, bye, brother. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh my god, this thing is so fast, man. Why don't you just leave me alone? You remember the cop? Oh no. Come on, keycard. Yes, keycard. Let me in. Someone wants to get in. Oh no, that is Polisa. No! Polisa killed me, man. Polisa, the stupid Polisa. Kidding me? This is why I told you, man. I cannot say probably the last time I'm using it because, like, look, I'm gonna use it right now. I need to get to the jewelry store, and I don't even need to grind the hyperchrome anymore, man. Successor looks better than the hyperchrome. School is rough right now for me, not even joking. But I'm becoming very intelligent. I'm the smartest I've ever been in my life. No, not. I'm gonna be just one by student. My mother said if I pass all the exams this year, I'm gonna get a PC for editing. That means better content for you guys. Bonk. Tell me in the comments if you like my new successor, okay? I just took unnecessary damage. I wish my friend Ramzan was here. You guys know my friend Ramzan? Well, I told my Bloxfruit's profile still says seeking a vengeance, but he came to my house. He's actually my school friend. He came to my house and I told him to unblock me and friend me. So then he said okay. Oh no, bruh, man. kidding me? Guess I go to garage. What's the nearest garage? Ah, wait, catch my mouth. Hello guys, I am back. Probably took you guys a while. Let me put on something. There's some garage here building nearby. Like I just rolled out with a concept. Let me see. Where is the success of this? Oh my god, it's acceleration and everything is so fast. Yeah, let's see where. Yes, I'm saving up nitros. This is gonna be. Oh no, Polisa! Polisas! Kidding me? Oh no! No! If you guys didn't know, I'm a really good reverse driver for some reason. Oh my god, police almost get me. Not good. Police almost getting me is not good. Not goodington. Museum? Yeah, museum seems right. I need to get some guns first. That last police encounter at the jewelry store was too good. This thing's acceleration is really nice, man. Oh my god. Should I do power plant? 6,000? Nah. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm just gonna keep telling myself because I hate the power plant. It's too hard. It's literally just too hard. Oh my god. Okay, I can see now. Don't headlights. Oh my god, this is the wrong way, isn't it? I know the way to the museum. This is the wrong way. Where am I even going, man? I'm just too amazed by the fact I got a new car. I really want to speed test it, but I don't have the trading island unlocked. Oh no. Come on. There's land. Go. I know I could have also done that with the Reaper, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Power plant. I know I said I hate it. Looks like someone is figuring out. That is bonk. Okay, that goes there. Goes there. Goes there. Boom. Okay, I actually got delivered it nicely now. Already got below. Oh my god, such low value. Where's my successor? Let me in. Oh no, this is what I said. This is what I mean by I'm crashed. Oh no. Did I take on? This is a bad route, isn't it? I'm screwed, man. Screw this. No. Oh no, I'm in the water again. water. It's not even letting me AFK. Come on, land. Anyone? Anyone see you? Go. Anyone see you? Anyone see you? Well, pretty sticky situation right here. That I got myself into. See you. Anyone want to duo? Anyone want to duo with me? Anyone want to duo with me?